Hello everyone, hope you're doing wonderful today. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I want to talk about the tools and things we need if for someone who wants to start making resin jewelry. So let's get started. Okay, so if you type tools for resin jewelry or starter kit for resin jewelry, these are the basic molds that you will get on any website that supplies resin related items. So these are three basic resin jewelry molds, silicone molds that you will get. The advantage of this mold is that once the resin is cured and you remove it, you don't have to drill any holes in them. You can see those pointy silicone things in the mold. They are for making holes. Another thing that you need to take care is that you use a resin that is appropriate for jewelry work. So make sure that the description of the resin says that it can be used to make resin jewelry. Apart from the silicone mold, you might also get a few basic jewelry tools like jump rings, eye pins, bails and a hand drill. So I poured the resin, allowed it to cure and unmolded it, and this is what you get. The hole is already made for you, you don't have to make any. So all you got to do now is take your jump ring and pass it through the hole, and if you're making a keychain, pass the keychain holder, or if it's a chain, just pass the chain through this, and that's it. Okay, so for a piece like this, it's totally up to you whether you want to drill a hole or you want to just stick a flat bail like this. This is a bail with a flat end, so all you have to do is put some E6000 adhesive or resin itself and stick it to the back of the resin piece. Allow it to fully cure and you're good to go. But if you want to put an eye pin, you need to drill a hole. So I prefer to use a hand drill rather than an electric one because it just gives me better control. So drill a hole. Make sure that the hole is just good enough to put the eye pin. So do put some adhesive like super glue or E6000 in the hole and then screw the eye pin in there. And then just put a jump ring and your keychain is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment and share for more videos. I'll see you in the next one.